All right, everybody, I just wanted to show you a little bit about the GoPros that we're using here today in class. We're not actually going to use any of the accessories that it comes with except for the cord that it comes with today, so you can just kind of push that off to the side. What we're looking for in terms of quick guides, that's what this piece of paper is for. It helps you how to turn it on, what are these different pieces, and then how to actually record video and switch your shooting modes. Today we are actually going to walk through those things in the video, so that way the video will kind of help you with this piece of paper if these instructions are not cutting it for you. Okay, so this is the GoPro, this is the lens, this is the front frame facing screen, this is the back facing screen, this is our shutter button, and then this is our power button. On the bottom here, this is where you connect your different accessories. We'll get into that a little bit later though. To turn it on, you're gonna press this side button. You can either press it once and it'll turn right on, or you can hold it until the little red light right here turns on. As you can see, the first thing we're in is video mode. We're in our standard video mode. To change your settings, you'll click on this little guy down here, and you can change the settings in that section there by clicking the little pencil. If you're in 1080p though, with 24 frames a second in the linear lens, you're totally fine. You can just click out of there. The video mode really isn't that crazy important for what we're doing today. So to take a video, you'll press the shutter button once and it'll start to record your video. You'll record as long as you want to, move the camera around, take video of whatever you need to, and then you'll press the shutter button again to stop recording, and you'll see it stopped recording. If you want to see what you just recorded, you'll go ahead and swipe up from the bottom. You can also click on that little waffle up there to see everything you've recorded, and then I can swipe back down to go back to my camera screen. To switch modes, I can either press the power button once, and it will switch into photo, time-lapse, and then back to video. Or you can take your finger and swipe across that back touch screen and it will swipe you into photo, video, or time-lapse that way. Just a review, to take a photo, you click that shutter button once on photo mode and then it should just take your picture. Again, if I want to change settings when I'm in the photo mode, you just click on the little bubble down there at the bottom and you can change any settings. Ideally though, we're not changing any settings for right now, just because we don't really need to. Then to turn it off, I hold this button until the screen goes black. It says powering off, and now it's all turned off. Over here on the side with the shutter button, there's actually, this is a little pull tab, and it's gonna pop open, okay? There is a little guy on the other side, but it doesn't move, it doesn't pop open. So if you're on the side with the power button, it's not gonna work, but on the side without the power button is the little door. This is the actual battery to the GoPro. You don't have to take it out. Next to the battery is your micro SD card. That's where everything is actually saved. And then right here is the USB-C port. So you're actually gonna take the USB-C port that is included in your kit. You're gonna plug it into that side, and then you're gonna plug this side over into your Chromebook. That way you can take the files from your GoPro camera, put them on your Chromebook, put them in your OneDrive, put them in Adobe Express, and then start making videos based on what you created on your GoPro. If you have any questions, ask a partner, ask Mr. Brown, or look at Google.